How to build beautiful GoHighLevel websites using custom code. This is exactly what we are going to do today, starting from this boring GoHighLevel website template and improving it using some custom effects from my Notion doc. And if you're curious about it, you can get it from the first link in the description. So the first thing that we are going to add to our website is this cool effect that cycles through different words, as you can see in the demo right here. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing we have to do is to add a custom code element by clicking on here, and let's move this because we want to have it at the top. And before we add any content to that, let's increase the size to our title because we want the title to actually stand out and grab the viewer's attention. Now this looks much better, and let's also make the background a bit darker, like this heavy fade. Perfect. This website already looks much better right now. And inside this custom HTML, let's open it and let's paste this code. Again, you can get this code from my Notion doc, and now we just have to change the wording. Perfect. As you can see, I've added 3 options and then I duplicated them. So we have 6 lines in total. Let's click save. And now the last thing we have to do before we can preview our effect is to add the custom CSS. And obviously the CSS we are gonna get from the tutorial, advanced fade effect and text change from the Notion doc, right? We copied the HTML earlier, and now the CSS we copy from here and we paste it into the custom CSS section. Obviously, we can play around with the font family, font color, font size, and text align. We want to have the text white, so we add white here, and then we click save. Now, we also click save here, and let's preview the website together. As you can see, we have the effect here, but we need to adjust it a little bit to look better. So we go into the custom CSS and we change the font size here, let's say 40 pixels. Click save, and let's preview it once again. As you can see, the font is better now, but we need a little bit of margin, so let's add that. And the easiest way to do it is to just add some margin here, right, on the custom code element itself. Let's add 40 pixels and click save. And as you can see, it already looks much nicer. Before we move to the next effect that we are going to add, I made some small adjustments to the website. For example, I made this hero section wider. As you can see, the text is now on only 2 lines instead of 3, and I also added rounded corners to the buttons. And besides that, I also centered the menu up here. So this is the next effect that I want to add to our website. It's called text highlighting, and as you can see, it highlights a portion of our text. So let me copy the CSS from here and let's use it inside our GoHighLevel website. So I've pasted the code in here, and now let's click on our text, go to the advanced tab and add the custom class highlight text. And we don't want our entire text to be highlighted, we just want a part of it. So let's try this part like this, and also let's play a bit around with the color. Let's make it white, and also font weight, let's make it heavy, a bit too much I think, extra bold, like this. And now as you can see, the colors don't really match, so we need to change this color to this green. So let me get the code from this color. We can click update and we can access the code, copy it, click cancel, and now let's change it into the CSS. We go into here and we add the color, and now as you can see, this is how it looks. Let's preview it together, and as you can see, the website is starting to look much nicer than before. And obviously we have to adjust the first effect a bit, so let me change the margin for that code element. Let's click on it and add, let's say, 80 pixels. I think that should be good. We can also click on this button to preview custom code, and as you can see, this already looks really good. The next thing that I want to add is this cool effect, zoom in and shadow on hover, that makes the target element pop when users hover over them. So that can be used for buttons, this one, this one, this one, and probably for images as well. So let me copy the CSS from the Notion doc and paste it inside my website. Now that I've pasted the code, all we have to do is select our elements and add this class called zoom in and shadow, and as you can see, we have this cool hover effect that makes the button really stand out and obviously grabs the user's attention. That's the whole purpose of this effect. So let's add the same effect to this button as well. As you can see, this one here, and yeah, let's preview them. As you can see, we have this cool effect now on the website together with this effect and also the highlighted text right here. And that's pretty much it with the hero section. The next thing that I would do to improve this website is play a bit around with the menu. And if you want to learn how to create a killer menu in GoHighLevel, watch this video.